Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Boss E111 portable blender. There is an illustration of what this particular blender is going to look like and its various attachments. It's written over here. It comes with 2 stainless steel blades. It's ISI certified. It's made in India since 1985. It's a very old company and more or less the same information on both the sides. So let's open this box and show you what the blender actually looks like. So these are the components of the box. We have a deck. This is basically mounted on the wall, and then this particular blender can hang from it, and this is the part where you store all these extra attachments. Speaking of which, these are the different attachments. These are the different attachments, and this is the user manual or instruction manual that comes with this particular blender. This is the Boss E111 hand blender. This has a solid metallic component to it. This is full metal body, and this part is of course plastic, but it's hard plastic. This will not break easily. It has quite a bit of weight to it. Like I mentioned earlier, these are the attachments that come with it. I'll give a tighter look. So these are the attachments that comes with it. This is one of these attachments, so you can just put it on like so. I'll try to be careful. There you go. This is one attachment. And this is the other attachment that goes in like so. I should mention that this is a 125 watt hand blender. There is a on-off switch over here. Actually, it's not just an on-off switch. There are 2 speed settings over here. This is 1 and this is 2. And this is the cable that comes with it. This is to power this particular hand blender. Let me just give you a demonstration of what it's actually going to sound and look like once you plug it in and turn it on. And I will do this very carefully. It is a blender. It is a kitchen equipment. It is a kitchen appliance, and therefore it can injure you. So you have to be careful with it. So there you go. I'm going to turn it on now. So this is one speed setting, and this is the other speed setting. So if I put this particular attachment in like so, and then I turn it on, I'll try not to injure myself while doing this. So there you go. This is what you find inside the box containing the Boss E111 portable blender. Thank you for watching.